everyone, I hope you're having a lovely day. So today I'm just going to show you, as you can see, like my hair is just like doing its own thing, and this is how it's looking. I actually like how my hair looks in twist when it's like wet, like in shrink form. This twist I did it on I did this twist when like my hair is like fully stretched, not fully, like blown out stretch. I'm going to drop that YouTube video on my YouTube channel, so go and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. But anyway, the two products that I used this TCB leave-in treatment. I love this TCB. This is one of my best like leave-in treatment. And this shea butter, this is another, like, if it can focus, yeah, this is another like product that I actually love. Those two products, and I was okay. And yesterday I didn't like moisturize because my hair was already like I moisturized and all that. So today I want to like oil my scalp, and I'm going to use this TCB coconut oil. And then for my edges I'm going to use this styling gel. So those are the two products that I'm going to be using on today's video. So let's start. I'm going to put this here like so, and then I'm going to first start with my edges so that they can be drying as I'm like packing my things and all that. And what I actually do, as you can see, like I don't leave too much like edges out. I just put like, normally what I do is the hair that doesn't like, I can't like hold, that's the hair I'm going to call my edges. I don't leave out, because I tend to feel like when you leave like too much like hair, like, and then you call them edges, your hair kind of look like untidy if you haven't laid your edges. And sometimes I try my best to not like touch my edges so that they can't like be weak, and then I don't want to lose my like hairline. Yeah. So now I'm just going to use this side of the nini of the spoolie, and then just do like so, and then this side I'm just bringing them, like brushing them. I'm not doing like any soups. Yeah, like so. And then come to this other side and then do the same. I'm using, oh Jesus Christ, I'm using this nice and lovely gel. I actually bought the big tub because I actually use this gel on a daily basis when I'm doing like when I'm wearing my wigs, and when I'm just like want my natural hair to like look a bit presentable. So I used to buy like the small katab, but sometimes inaisha, and then you're not even near like a cosmetic shop. This side I'm just going to brush them towards that kanini, like so. And then now I'm going to cover it. The next process is I'm going to use this coconut oil on my scalp. So I'm just going to run like this part on my scalp. I'm basically done. So I want to apply where I was not able to apply, as I had the scarf. And this actually is the one of the hairstyles that have actually made my hair grow in 2021. Like, my hair has really grown, and it's healthy, it's voluminous, it's like it's giving life. So, and I'm just ready to head out. So thank you for watching, and for the stretching video I'm going to be uploading it on YouTube. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.